Alright guys, last video I was talking about that engine and the mini bike I got. Not going to use that engine. Going to use the 3.5 from the mini tractor build. I'll find another 3.5 when I get around to finishing that build. Got the seat mounted. I'm not even thinking that's actually a mini bike seat. I don't even know what that is. It is the most uncomfortable seat. Anyway, I welded on a piece of flat stock here because it had a piece of flat stock that was broken off. So I welded on a new piece of flat stock. Back here, because of the way this seat mounts, it wouldn't mount back there. So I took a piece of flat stock and made a mount for it. Kind of stuck when I moved it, but pull it back up because I ain't got the spring on it, so it got stuck. But I made a, there we go, made a scrub brake. Got to hook the spring up. Made a scrub brake for the tire. It'll work. Today we are going to take this apart, sandblast it, and prime it and paint it red. I think it'll look good red. Thinking if I go back to white on the wheels though. So I got to pull those apart too. But this engine right here, I got to replace the diaphragm in there, but it runs. Well, it will run. It has compression. That one runs, but the shaft size is just... Maybe I'll just keep it like a display or something because it's in a real nice shape. So yeah, we're going to put the 3.5 on here with the scrub brake. Got parts ordered. New handle, the grips with the throttle cable, and a clutch. So, and I got bolts to bolt the engine down. And then get this sandblasted today, paint it. Probably eventually get another fender for back here. But yeah, I'll continue this video as I start tearing it down for the build, or to sandblast it. Well, forgot to take a video of it tearing it down. I'm pretty bad at this stuff sometimes. Getting ready to sandblast it. Probably won't videotape that. Maybe clip through out doing it. Sandblast this frame. I got some blue paint. Primer, of course. What we're going to do is what I call rattle can restoration. I like to spray with a gun, but this time we're just going to spray can it. Just try to do a good job at it. The wind's going to hurt us. This time around, it's windy. I swear, every time we try to paint in Texas, it gets real windy. I did, believe it or not, this didn't turn out too bad. This is the hardware for the mini bike. It's primed and ready. They're going to be painted black. The frame's going to be painted blue. We are not going to use this engine because they don't have spots for a clutch guard. We're going to get a 3 horsepower Predator because my nephew's birthday is next weekend. So we're going to give it to him for his birthday. So I'm going to get off here, start sandblasting, maybe get a few quick shots throughout the sandblasting. If I did this whole video while I was sandblasting, the whole video would probably be over an hour long, so don't want to do that. I got to fix my respirator because it fell apart. Look at this. Oh, well, it's all stuck in O'Reilly's bag. It fell apart. I'm gonna try taping it for now, just to protect me a little bit while I am sandblasting. So you got the, hopefully a 50-pound bag will be okay. If not, I'll have to get another bag. But yeah, this is gonna be blue. These are gonna be blue.
hardware is going to be black. The wheels, they're going to stay black, but probably do a better paint job on them than what's on there. Oh, and we got to put those tires on there. Those tires are pretty bad. Maybe eventually get him another fender. Alright, get off here and sandblast now. Alright, I'm packing up the mini bike. I'm going to take it to my uncle's to finish sandblasting because my compressor's broke. So I gotta get this loaded up. I gotta pick up a mask too because the respirator broke. So I gotta go pick up a mask. But stay tuned. Still working on it. It's primed. I gotta wait and get more sand to do these though. But the main frame, still gotta do the bottom side. It's starting to look good.
So I'm back home now. My buddy did give me a bag of sand, sandblasting sand, another bag of, so the forks will be able to finish up tomorrow. Gotta hurry up and get them primed. Won't get those painted, but I'll get the frame painted. Tuesday through Friday it's supposed to be raining from the forecast, but can never tell because Texas has very bipolar weather. I'm gonna see if my uncle can sandblast tomorrow because I'm starting to lose my voice from sandblasting. I was using those cheap dust masks because my 3M respirator, the head strap broke. So that's gonna go on. And but anyway, that's why we got done. Gotta pick up a 3-horse Predator. Gotta paint it. Gotta finish the clutch guard. With this rain, I don't know if we'll be done in the deadline for my nephew's birthday or not, but we'll give it a good old try anyway. Thanks guys for watching. If y'all ain't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the bell. Thanks again for watching, guys.